Hi, my name is Vin.
My name is Miguel.
And my name is Matthew. Today we're going to talk to you about metal inert gas welding, also known as Mig Welding, which we learned about at S&S Welding.
Located in San Jose, about 2 miles away from San Jose State, S&S Welding is a commercial manufacturing facility that specializes in metal fabrication and welding. We came in to talk with Nick, one of the owners of the shop, and asked him to provide us a tour of the facility. S&S Welding owns a variety of machining equipment, including drill presses, rollers, brakes, and shearing machines that can shear metal up to 3/4 of an inch thickness. S&S Welding is also specially equipped for Tig, Mig, arc, and flux core welding. For this video, we will be focusing on their most commonly used welding process, which is MIG. A typical MIG welding process requires multiple components, namely a shielding gas source, a power supply, a wire feed drive motor, and a welding gun. When the welding gun is activated by the holding of a trigger, a consumable bare wire is fed automatically through the nozzle by the wire feed drive motor. The electric power and shielding gas flow through the nozzle simultaneously with the bare wire, causing an electric arc to be struck. During the process, heat is transferred to the workpiece and will cause the workpiece to become increasingly hot, depending on the size and geometry of the workpiece. The efficiency of heat transfer in arc welding is typically 75 to 90%.
MIG is most advantageous compared to other welding processes in its speed and efficiency. Because the wire is fed automatically, the welding process is faster. It's a straightforward process that can be automated and has a moderate cost influenced by the wire and gas, costing pretty much the same as TIG welding. MIG is generally used for steel and when there is no need for highly cosmetic surface finish. In that case, TIG welding is preferred. TIG is also preferred in stainless steel and aluminum welding, but when it comes to joining capabilities, both processes have the same strength.
Safety is essential in any welding process. For MIG welding, proper attire includes gloves, boots, long non-flammable pants and a jacket, a safety vest, and a helmet with tinted lenses. A battery-powered helmet with tint selection is recommended. This attire helps to protect the worker from sparks and fumes. MIG fumes can be dangerous, especially when dealing with galvanized steel. Nick described a condition called metal fume fever that can occur if proper ventilation and face mask protection are not utilized. Metal fume fever causes vomiting, fever, chills, and diarrhea, especially when an operator is drinking milk on the job. The main government regulations on MIG welding revolve around these hazardous fumes because there is no solid waste besides small amounts of splatter. Nick showed us a large metal sign S&S Welding is building for the city of San Jose. This sign, called Little Italy, was welded mostly using MIG welding because of its speed and cost efficiency. Some flux core arc welding was used on the structural supports because it penetrates deeper into the metal. You can see the MIG welding, especially where the metal letters were quote-unquote spot MIG welded onto the sign.
Thank you for watching our video.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Bye!